what is computer. We have been using computers since long, and do you ever think how computer works for you? So we normally give certain instructions to the computer, and computer work with the instructions that we are giving to it. Now, these instructions, children, join together to make a group of instructions, and we call that group of instructions as program. And when you combine different programs for different work, they combine together to make softwares, right? And today in this chapter, we are going to learn about what is a computer program, and then what is coding, and what is the purpose of doing coding. Why do we learn coding, and how coding is beneficial for us. So I believe you are full of excitement to move ahead. Come on, let's begin with the journey. And here we go. So first thing, I'll just tell you that by now you have understood that computer is a simple electronic machine. And this machine works with your instructions. It cannot work by its own. So you can do a lot of things on computer, like you can do drawing, you can watch movies, you can do typing, reading, drawing, even you can play games, listen to the music, as well as you can solve different sums and what not. But have you ever wondered, children, that how this all happens? How an electronic gadget can help you to do so much variety of things. Sometimes one thing is done, another time another thing is done. So what tells the computer to type the word, and when you are just typing the word on the keyboard, it just pop up on the screen. It's really surprising, isn't it? So what goes behind it that make the computer work? That is always a question for us to understand. Now, how can you just draw by moving a simple mouse, and it is also done so promptly? It's a magic, isn't it? But how this magic works? It happens because computer is programmed to do it with the help of coding. Interesting to know. Now I could see you are so excited to know that what this coding is. So children, normally we have software developers who are programmers who do the designing part of the program, and we are using different programming languages to make different applications work on the computer. So I could see that you are just having a glared eyes to listen what is coming next. So let's move ahead, and we are going to first understand what is a computer program. So children, to understand what is coding, we have to first know what is a computer program. Normally, a computer program is the collection of instructions that can be executed by a computer to complete a specific task. Now, whenever you give a single instruction to the computer, one action is taken. And when you need to do multiple actions all together at a stretch, you have to combine those instructions in a specific order, one after another. So combining the instructions all together is called a program of a computer. Interesting to know. Now another question rises in our mind, that what is coding? Children, coding is a process of writing the step-by-step instructions, which is done by using different computer programming languages. Now, what is this computer programming language? You know, computer is a machine, and machine can only understand the language of electronic signals. Now, when you give instructions to the computer, your instruction should be understood by the computer. Computer cannot speak your language. Computer cannot speak my language. Computer has its own language. And that language is the language of coding. Right? So we have to give specific instructions to the computer, and that also in the language of computer. That means if you need to communicate with the computer, you have to learn coding. Feeling excited? Yes. Now, everything nowadays is handled by different coding. Whatever gadget you use. It may be your smartphone, it may be your laptop, it may be your computer, it may be any instrument that is handled by artificial intelligence. So, we need to learn coding, which is the need of the time. Moving ahead, now this is another question, why we need to learn coding. Children, coding is fun and cool. Now imagine you are having a skill to make your own application or website. Now, if you have certain ideas in your mind that you have to develop your own website, these ideas can only work out if you are friendly with the computer. And being friendly with computer means you must know coding. You have to implement all that comes in your mind. You have to bring out your creativity and you have to make a masterpiece. And for that, what you need to do? You need to learn coding. Now, I'll just tell you what are the benefits of learning coding. The most important thing is it brings out your innovation and creativity. It also improves your communication skills. And children, you can develop softwares and you can become a software developer. Moreover, it makes you efficient problem solver. That's very important. You know, in today's world, if you do not know coding, you are just handicapped. You are just depending on someone or another to get your work done. So that's the reason we need to learn coding. Apart from that, coding also develops your logical thinking. That means coding has become part and parcel of our life. And we need to learn coding, which we are going to learn in upcoming classes. Great. Now is the time to execute the exercise. So come on, whatever you have learned so far, let's do it in the form of fill in the blanks here. So programmers use programming language. Good. We are going to write here language. And the gadgets and devices used by us in our daily lives are controlled by computer program. And the last one is to type on a computer, we press keys on a, where are the keys? Keys are on the keyboard. Very good. And this was really interesting to learn about what is coding, why should we use coding, and what are the benefits of coding. Now quickly recall what we have learned so far. We have learned that computer program is a collection of instructions that computer executes to complete a specific task. And coding is a process of writing the step-by-step instructions that tells computer what has to be done. Apart from that, there are many gadgets and devices nowadays which are used for our day-to-day life, which are controlled with the help of coding. They can be playing video games, even washing machines, your smartphones, your laptops, and whatnot. So I believe you enjoyed learning it. Goodbye. Catch you in the next lesson. Happy learning.